All right. The Wearable Art Pageant is a feature of the Cultural Festival, and this allows our students to use their imagination and artistic flair to create and present amazing outfits. The categories for this year are Iconic Christchurch and Wild and Wacky. Now, the models today come from Heathcote Valley, Waimari, and St Albans. Please, a round of applause for the Wearable Art Pageant.
People in this place get out of control, 'cause unity and harmony is just the way you do go. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day.
People of all ages, no need to be shy no more. The song is outrageous, makes you wanna jump to the car. The day is looking so fine, the just make you wanna smile. I don't know what to say, but are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Are you feeling me? 'Cause are you feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me, feeling me? Like I feel you. Oh.
Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Nod your head and stomp your feet. You got to know we're bringing the heat. Don't you know it's time to make it all clear? Today's the day when you gotta see it's real. Oh, I gotta show ya what it means to be keen by realizing a brighter day to see. Yeah, yeah. Your smile so bright makes everybody get up to do it right. We're moving around, stand up, don't hide. It makes you wanna shout. We'll feel the flow and let it show through all the joy, laughter and smile. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do, and smile will bring the sunshine day.
Brother Bellas in the back, sweet singers in the front, cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. Suddenly red blue lights flash us from behind. Loud voice booming, please step out onto the line. Ballet bridge words of comfort, Cena just hides her eyes. Policeman taps the shades, it's at a Chevy 69. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre. Destination unknown as we're pulling for some gas. Officially placed a poster reveals a smile from the pack. Elephants and acrobats, lion, snakes, monkey. Bella speaks righteous, Sister Cena says funky. How bizarre, how bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. It's making me crazy. It's making me crazy. Every time I look around. Every time I look around.
Every time I look around,
Every time I look around. It's in my face.
Ringmaster stiffs up, says the elephants have town. People jump and jive and the clowns are stuck around. TV news and cameras, there's choppers in the sky. Marines, police, reporters ask where, for and why. Bella yells, we're out of here. Cena says right on. Making moves and starting grooves before they knew we were gone. Jumped into the Chevy, headed for big lights. Wanna know the rest? Hey, by the rights, how bizarre. How bizarre, how bizarre.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
for his, for his, for his, for his, for better, for worse, for what's with the second verse, the first curse upon the earth. Mixing up a storm, brewing up a tornado.
Having an abundance of platonic relationships, reminiscent of my man Mike Plato.
I was running down the street, just screaming, I was blind, but I lost my voice like I lost my mind. And I couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another, couldn't get another. No! I was born to conform to the norm, yawn like a lawn born. I was born to reform, worn corn, and I was thinking and being and running, I was thinking I'm making them up like
And that's our Wellville art pageant there, Huama. Look at these outfits, fantastic. Beautiful, thank you very much.
Well, I'm going to get that outfit. That's cool.
Amazing, I love the lights.
One's got
I mean,
my
all
size.
our tamariki did this. They did all of this. Which is
Another
awesome.
big round of
Pretty
applause,
cool, eh?
Whānau. Well done, Tamariki Ma. With your new uniform for the Christchurch City Council, ka pai.